Catch 'em is my real test. To train them is my cause.
Hey guys, this is gonna be a results video of the 2 codes giveaway. So yeah, let's just get into our channel and our subscribers. So yeah, we got 3 pages of subscribers. Oops, 3 of them, and yeah, so let's get into random.org. Oh, my hand's shaking. So our winner will be on page 2, so let's go page 2. 3 columns, awesome. So yeah, so we're just gonna generate that again. And our winner is gonna be in column 1. So yeah, oh my, ow. So let's count. This will be number 1, and the one at the bottom will be the last number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, let's put a step down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So yeah, just a quick run through. So we're gonna go 1 to 14, and the winner will be decided. So our winner is number 10. So let's go down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Anime 14Z, Anime 14Z, you're the winner of the 2 code cards. Yeah, lucky on you. And that's all. The Shine Bloom. You'll see you later. Bye.